Let's go. This is awesome. A little while back when I started the racing series on this channel, one of my subscribers reached out to me saying that he had a little something extra that he was not using anymore. Oh man, this thing is dope. Chris, if you are watching this, thank you so much. I am truly grateful. I have the best subscribers. Like, you guys are amazing. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me. One quick reminder, there is a comment pinned below that has timestamps, so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. It is Wednesday, June 19th? Yeah, June 19th. Doesn't matter, it's a Wednesday. And Bandimere, the local drag strip, has open test and tune nights on Wednesdays. So we are headed back to do some drag racing. My first episode on this was last week. Our goal is to just improve on that, do as well as or better. So I think my best time in that was 11.724 seconds. For the quarter mile, it's something like 114 miles per hour. I was getting regularly around 0.2 for reaction time. We're doing a couple things differently this time. So last time I showed up to the track with around 84% stated charge. This time, charge the vehicle up to 100%. By the time that we get to Bandimere, we should be at like 97. So we're going to be in a much, much better state of charge for this set of runs today. So that's the first thing. Secondly, I went through my car and cleared it out completely. I had a bunch of extra shit in the back, probably got about like 50 pounds out of the vehicle. That doesn't sound like much, but every pound matters when it comes to drag racing. The third thing that's different about this time is we installed the carbon fiber front splitter as well as the carbon fiber spoiler in the back. Logic and general fluid mechanics would tell me that I would think the car is more slippery and should be able to do better times with these installed. I haven't done any CFD. We're driving very conservatively to get there so that I can conserve as much stated charge as possible. It is hot as hell in this vehicle right now. We're going like 55 and no AC, no AP, nothing. We do have the 3 GoPros this time, so I'm going to be able to do 1 inside the cabin and then 2 on the roof pointing to show kind of where we are against our competitors. Overall, if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned and we will see you guys shortly. All right, so we have made it to Bandimere Speedway. We're about like 29 minutes early here, chronically early. Anyways, we made it with a 97% state of charge. Turbine is ready to go. I am so excited to use this. We are still on the Michelin All Seasons. I really need to get Pilot Sport 4S's back on the vehicle, but we do have the carbon fiber front splitter and we have the carbon fiber spoiler as well. So hopefully these will help our times today. Got a nice BRZ here. Look at this thing. Pontiac Grand Am with a supercharger sticking out of the hood. Nice Cobra, pretty solid ST. This thing sounds all crazy. What is that? Had like a Lexus symbol on it? That's definitely not a Lexus. This thing is slammed. Gorgeous. Got the Demon Club over here. Nice Jaguar F-Type right there. And this is a Colorado State Patrol sponsored event, so there are cops here you can race. Gorgeous M4 right here. All right, we just got fully checked in. We are number 62 today. Yeah, I got a GoPro mounted right here in the middle, and then we've got 1 on the roof. 2 of them on the roof. So we're gonna run from the right lane every time so that we can get the same angles, and hopefully I'll get the angles right so you can actually see the cars this time. All right, so we are currently at 96%. I'm gonna leave track mode off. 88 degrees at 96%, so we should have a much better time today. We'll find out. All right, so we just finished up our 6th run of the day here. We are at 88% state of charge. We started at 96, so we only used 8% today for 6 runs, which is pretty solid. All right, so we just wrapped up at Bandimere Speedway. I literally just finished my 6th run of the night. Usually I only do 5, but this time I did 6. So the very first run, they forced me to go in the left lane, and I had all my cameras set up to film from the right lane. So basically film the stands. We did a lot better tonight. So the very first run, I went against a 2013 Nissan GTR. I was in the left lane, as I said, had a reaction time of 0.077, 8th mile of 7.468 at 93.25 miles per hour. The quarter mile was 11.696 at 115.5 miles per hour. Second run was against that same GTR in the right lane this time. I had a pretty bad reaction time of 0.342. The 8th mile was 7.476 at 94.05 miles per hour. The quarter mile was 11.718 at 114.83 miles per hour. The third run, I still don't know what this vehicle was. I think it was an old school muscle car of some sort. I'll need to look it up when I get home, and I'll probably put it at the bottom of the video here. Again, in the right lane, reaction time was 0.274. The 8th mile was 7.486 at 94.11 miles per hour. And the quarter mile time was 11.727 at 114.86 miles per hour. So for my 4th run, I had a 0.240 reaction time. 8th mile was 7.46 at 94.28 miles per hour. Quarter mile was 11.693 at 115.04. So this is where we are officially breaking into the 11.6s. The 5th one, I went up against a Camaro ZL1 Hot Wheels edition, which was a lot of fun. Beautiful car. So I had a 0.295 reaction time. 8th mile was 7.421 at 94.38 miles per hour. Quarter mile was 11.651 at 115.04. I think this was my best time, 11.651. I'm pretty damn happy with that. 6th run was against a BMW 7 Series. I had a reaction time of 0.210. 8th mile was 7.443 at 94.39 miles per hour. And quarter mile was 11.670 at 115.26 miles per hour. So we broke into the 11.65 club. I am super happy. It was a damn good day, especially for my 2nd time at the drag strip. We reduced the weight on the vehicle by like 40 pounds. Last time we were at 42.90. I think this time we were at 42.50. So basically 40 pounds off the vehicle. We have the carbon fiber splitter and the spoiler, so that helped, and we had a much better state of charge. We went up against a lot of cool cars. So from here, it's just gonna be honing my reaction time and seeing if we can maybe break into the 11.5s. That would be dope. This was a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be doing this every single Wednesday. So I have an autocross event this weekend, so that should be a blast. Got a lot of fun content coming your way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. It truly means the world to me, and it is so important. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video. So a couple fun facts about Bandimere. The entire length of the track is water cooled. So this awesome guy, Mike, who's been super helpful, he works at Bandimere, he's told me all these cool things, given me a lot of pointers. He's a really great guy. His channel is Algo Rhythm. I'll link it in the description below. He works at Bandimere, he's a really nice guy. He's been helping me out with everything. Shout out to you, Mike, you are a cool dude. Thank you for all your help. But yeah, the entire length of the course is water cooled, so that's awesome. It is also the only all cement course in the nation. It's also one of the shortest courses in the nation, and the entrance to the course is downhill. So all these vehicles, these ICE vehicles that need to cool their engines, don't need to start their cars. They can just coast down the hill in neutral, which is pretty darn cool. Just some fun facts about Bandimere.